Welcome to your Sunday Shave of the Day. Hey, Eric here with Adventures in Wet Shaving, and welcome back. It's good to see you. If you're interested in learning how to straight razor shave and all things straight razor related, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Then click on the bell next to it to be notified when I upload videos. That way you won't miss a thing. My one word is heart, and I put my heart into everything I do. And I believe every time you shave with a straight razor, you're going to get a better shave. In this shave, I am using my Finedge Ostiso. This is made in New York City, 1920. That is Solingen German steel, and it is 100% original. This is blued here. And it's just a marvelous, marvelous razor. Now for my soap tonight, here we go. Barrister Mann, and this is Cologne Rouge. This is just a marvelous, ancient Russian scent. Oh, it's a wonderful cologne scent that I really enjoy. And now for my brush tonight, we're going with the King brush. Oh yeah, this is the Adventures in Wet Shaving King brush. That is a 24mm premium bore knot. Just fantastic. Now I have had that soap blooming, so we're going to pour off the bloom water and put that on as a pre-shave. Yep. And get this going. Oh, what a fantastic scent. Marvelous. Marvelous. Now, let's go ahead and get that loaded up. Oh, yeah. All right. Hey, we made it to the weekend. And, by the way, happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Yeah. Yeah, it is our day. Yep. So that is good. And, you know, hopefully you are going to have a good Father's Day, or you're already having a good Father's Day. Yep. So I'm looking forward to it. And we're going to be over with some friends, enjoying some good food and good company. Yep. Which is good. Oh, yeah. And wow, this just loads up so quick. Look at that. Oh, marvelous. I don't know if you can hear that. Yeah. Oh, that is nice though. And I'm just going to clean up around the outside of that. And we're going to get the inside as well. Just like that. And we're going to put most of that on the brush. Yep. I think it'll be fine. Now, yeah, so happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to my dad as well. Back in Oklahoma. Yeah, if you're watching, I hope you're having a good day. I really do. Yep. Yeah, and my kids really treat me nice on Father's Day, so it's good. It is. Now, let's get our lather on. Yeah, hopefully you are being able to relax and enjoy yourself on this weekend and really have some downtime. Yeah, that's what I need. I need some downtime. Work has been busy. Everybody started coming back to work, and that means a lot of stuff doesn't work anymore because people forgot how to make it work. But that's okay. Wow, what a fantastic scent this has. Yeah, George Campbell turned me on to this, and really, really fine scent. And fantastic soap, for that matter. Yeah, taking that lather right over the top. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Okay, now this is pass one, and for me, primarily, that's going to be with the grain. Let's do this. Nice. That is good. Oh yeah. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed last Friday's Straight Razor Edge Friday special. Many more to come in that series, by the way. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, stretching with my offhand. Very shallow angle on that neck. That is how I've found works best for me. There we go. Nice. Now, coming in on that mustache area. Going straight and just kind of scoop down. Yeah, remember we're always looking for that 20 to 30 degree shaving angle. There we go. Get those two little bumps. So I stretch with my offhand, lay that razor flat, and raise it to spine width. There we go. Nice. Feeling good. It is. Nice Father's Day shave. There we go. Excellent. Yeah. Yeah, I gotta be careful around that bump. Taking my time. Yes, I am. Yeah, let me encourage you to take your time as well. Find the right time to shave when you're not in a hurry. And enjoy it. Yep. That's what this is all about. Wow. And that slickness just comes right back to life. Put water on it. Good to go. There we go. All right. Here we go. Time for the half pass. Yep, this is going to be my jawline and my neck. And I've found this works really well for me. And I've heard that many others, this works well. And you don't even have to do it necessarily the way I do. Take and adapt it to how your beard grows, okay? Because everybody's beard grows differently, so you have to adapt. What you see is not like you can shave just like everybody else, all right? But for me, this works. So here we go, let's do this. Nice. Oh yeah. Good shave. Yes it is. Nice. Oh yeah. There we go. All right, another shave in the books. Yep. Now, let's get that washed off, see how we did. Felt good. Oh, wow. Yep. Cheeks are good. Yep. Oh, and the jawline neck, spot on. Excellent. Now, yeah, there were no bumps harmed in the filming of this shave video. Yep. Now, we're still going Aloe everywhere. This is astringent and antiseptic. This will help tighten up the pores on your skin, and if you do hit a little bump, it will take care of that as well. Yep. Yes, it will. And I put that everywhere. Works really good. Now I will take this towel and pat that dry. Just like that. Now, if you can't take alum straight up, go with a cold water rinse if you can get cold water, followed with witch hazel. In my case, I'm going with the Thayers Lavender Witch Hazel. This is just marvelous, and I think it's going to go fine with this soap. I really do. So we get that going. Yep. Start repair the skin. And I will just put that everywhere. I think that is fine. I do. Now for my Cologne aftershave thing. Here we go. We are going with Cologne Rouge. Oh yeah, this is the matching aftershave, and this has got a fine scent. It really does. I really enjoy this one. It is so good. Oh yeah, nice, 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 nice. Oh yeah. Excellent, excellent. Now, here we go. Post-shave balm, Nivea, and this is the sensitive. It is wonderful. Now, this one is got a more neutral scent, so when you use it, it doesn't cover up as much of the cologne or aftershave. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Oh, I like it. I do. Click up here to see my latest video. Click over here to see a video specially picked out for you. Click on this one to see Barber's Homes, the series. Have a great shave and a good day, and I will see you next time on Adventures in Wet Shaving.